I just made $3,000 trading the exact double top strategy I talked about in my last video. Bro, if you knock my strategy because it looks too simple to be true, then I'm sorry, I can't help you. Last week, I posted a video on how to trade double tops professionally. Now, just 4 days later, I was able to make money using the same strategy. Let's go to the chart so I can show you what I'm talking about. The trade I'm talking about is actually on the dollar JPY. 2 days ago, I sent out this exact chart on the Telegram group, of which if you are not on the Telegram group and you're watching this video right now, the link is going to be in the description below. So I sent out this chart and I talked about how I was expecting price to keep pushing lower, right? And that's what price has been doing, though it ranged for a bit and it started pushing lower. So I also sent out this chart, how I was expecting price to push up to this zone before collapsing to the downside. However, I also mapped out this zone that price has reacted to previously. If you look at the top here, you can see price reacted about twice previously, and if you look at the bottom, we've had 3 touches there. Now price kept pushing higher. It looks like we actually broke above this trend line and we are on our way to this zone. However, something happened. I'm just going to play this. Now, when price came into this zone, blasted above it, looks like we were coming to this zone before the collapse that I was expecting. Price did something interesting. Price gave us a double top around this zone here, right? And that was when we're on the Zoom one-on-one mentorship program when this actually happened, right? And this is our neckline that has been broken, right? And now we looked at this as a good trading opportunity to actually jump into. Now, this thing I'm talking about happened yesterday, being Tuesday, right? And then we jumped on this trade and we ranged for a bit. Price moved sideways and before today it eventually pushed down, and again we got another double top around that trend line today. And after that, what happened next? Price blasted all the way to the downside, as you can see here, right? So this was how we actually made money on this trade. Now you might be wondering, how did we get into this trade? Well, we saw it and we went for it. But like I said in the last video, I can't talk about entries and exits. That is only available to those who have the course. But the purpose of this video is just to show you that there's a way you can use double tops at areas of interest that is going to give you amazing results, all right? But before you jump on this particular strategy, like I advised in the last video, go and back test, all right? Go back into historical price and see how this particular double top has performed at areas of interest so that you can be able to reach a conclusion if this is something you can actually add to your trading arsenal or not. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and watch out for more. Bye.